Hey guys, it's Andy from Liquid Design back with another marketing tip to help you build a profitable audience. Today we're talking about how testimonials can help you build trust and get more sales. Alright, so you should be asking every single customer for a testimonial. If you are nervous about that or you're afraid somebody's going to put something out there that's bad or mean about you, don't, because there's some cool ways you can go about that. Back when I did the marketing hacks video, we talked about how you can send this email where they can decide if it was a good experience or a bad experience, and if they click good, then they'll be directed to Google, Yelp, Facebook, wherever you like your reviews to be live for everyone to see. And if they had a bad experience, it redirects them to a form to fill it out and give you information about that you can learn from, which is so valuable. Okay, so you've got your reviews and now you have to utilize them. So the very best places to put them are on your website, of course, but near a call to action. So if you're trying to get somebody to buy something or to contact you, to take some kind of action that requires a little bit of a leap of faith, you want to give them reassurance that you are the real deal, you're legit, and people love you. So now that you have this Rolodex of great testimonials, you can use them on your social media platforms, you can share them, you can share bits and pieces of them into other things that are relevant that you're maybe trying to offer or sell down the road. So they are so valuable in so many ways, and I really hope you take this time to go forth. Don't be so afraid to find out the real truth about what you're offering people, whether it's helpful, whether you have room to improve, because it's just going to make you better in the long run, and it's going to build trust with people who are looking for someone just like you to help guide them to their success. If you liked this video, if it made sense, please type yes in the comments so that I know what I'm giving you is valuable information. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We have lots of great videos coming out weekly, and we look forward to seeing you there.